Hey, fo hey folks, just doing a quick video to show you the settings for the new update. So you want the LM Studio Community MetaLlama 3.1 Instruct 7B 3Q Q3K1 GGUF. That's the model you want. And most of the settings in the server remains the same. The only difference would be that you want to choose the preset that says Llama 3v2. That is after you have updated. You need to update to the latest version of LM Studio, which should be 02.31. This is very different from the last one, which was 23 point. So this is 02.31. So that's the latest model. Actually, you just do the check for updates and make sure that you're on the latest model. If you are not, just follow the instructions to update to the latest model. So as I said, the model that I'm currently using is this one. And so you need to have the preset Llama 3v2 preset chosen from the drop down. You may need to reset your server once you've done that. The context length, you can change the context length to 8,000 here. But however, I am doing programmatically. I'm also making changes so that you can change to 8,000. You can leave it as it is for now. Everything here you can just leave it as it is, as the programs I write sort of overwrite dependent on what the software needs. And then my preference is for GPU acceleration to be put to max, because it's going to write very fast. And because in this version of Private LLM we're doing a lot more editing of content, because my ultimate goal is that the final output of Private LLM would get to a point where it doesn't need any editing at all, and that's what I'm sort of driving towards, as I'm making corrections to the code and making corrections to the optimizations to the prompts. But eventually it will get to a point where you write an article and it's perfect from the word go. At the moment there still needs to be some tweaking that you might need to do occasionally here or there. Very few tweaking, because the AI itself goes, analyzes its own content, and then corrects and updates and improves the articles that it generates, except for the DIY, which I've purposely left, because it's more to do with what people have put in their own instructions, to make the DIY just produce content the way they want it to be produced. All the other modules have been optimized to self-correct to a huge degree. Okay, so that is all we need. Actually, there's one more thing. In your stop strings, actually, it's quite important. If you do not put this, you will find a lot of mistakes in Private LLM. You need to have these two texts. I'm going to drop them in the article for this, or as well as drop them in the description. So you have to have the start header tag and the end of I'm not even sure what the T means, but EOT ID tag. Some of you may already know what that means. You can let me know. But these two are very crucial, because it helps the AI know when to start, when to stop, and it helps the AI follow instructions. So you must make sure these are present in your server preset. So once you've done that, add these two things there. Again, you'll find the text itself in the article. If you're watching this on YouTube, you can see the link to the article, to the main article, in the descriptions. If you are not watching on YouTube, just read scroll down to the article and you find it there. Okay, so that is the header, starting header and the ending header for the system and the user and the assistant instructions. Um, I won't say more than that because it will get too complicated. So there you have it for your preparation for the server for private LLM. So for private content wizard, the latest update, which should be version 1.4, private content wizard. Just show you. So the latest update, private content wizard. Uh, I haven't added any more new models since the last one, purely because the core of my work from the last month has been to make private LLM work with the latest um, Llama model, which is actually a very good model. Um, so I think gone are the days when content is created that is a bit of hit and miss. Most of what you will find will be extremely usable. Okay, so that it is. There you go. And wishing you a good evening. Bye.